Hello friends, I am Bhavya. Welcome back to my channel Learning Physics with Bhavya ma'am. If you have not seen my previous video, link is given in the description box. Please check. Today we are going to discuss about class 11th units and measurement, and the next topic is dimensional analysis. In my last video I mentioned what is dimension. So dimension helps us to find how many times the fundamental quantity repeats in a given physical quantity. Now, dimensional analysis is a method of studying a physical phenomenon on the basis of dimension. What is dimensional analysis? That is one method. Here we are studying a physical phenomenon on the basis of dimension. By taking the help of dimension, we are studying this physical phenomenon. So what are the applications of dimensional analysis? Using this dimensional analysis, we can convert one system to another system. Suppose if CGS system of any physical quantity is known to you, you can convert that to SI system. Or if SI system of any physical quantity is given, then you can convert that into CGS system by taking the help of dimension. Okay? And this dimension helps us to check whether the given equation is correct or not. We can check the correctness of the equation using dimension. And dimension helps us to find the relationship between different physical quantities. Now let us see all these one by one. So this application of dimensional analysis is very important for board paper. Each one will be asked for 3 marks. This is also asked for 3 marks and this is asked for 5 marks. So this is very important. I'm going to solve some numericals based on this. If you find my video helpful, please do subscribe my channel. Now let us go through the first application, that is conversion of one system of units to another system of units. For that, let us use this concept, physical quantity Q is equal to N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. So that means here any physical quantity which can be written as N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. That means, for example, length of the rod. Length of rod. Here length is a physical quantity. So let us write that as 5 meter. So meter is a SI unit of length, which can also be written as 500 centimeter. Right? Length of rod can be written as, if the length of rod is 5 meter, which can be written as 500 centimeter, because we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So here there is no change in the magnitude of length. If you write in SI unit, this 5 meter is a length of rod. In CGS unit, what is the length of rod? 500 centimeter. So there is no change in the magnitude of the length of the rod. Length is a physical quantity which can be written either in SI unit like this, where N1 is 5, U1 is meter, N2 is 500, U2 is centimeter. Right? So like this, we can convert one system, here we can convert physical quantity from one system of unit to another system of unit. Okay. So for that we are taking the help of this N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. Now let us consider mass is written as M and L be the length and T be the time. These three are the fundamental quantities. Okay. I'll write dimensional formula like this: M to the power A, L to the power B, T to the power C. Okay. So this is nothing but dimensional formula of one physical quantity. Right. Suppose if in SI system, let us write M1, L1, T1 to the power A, B and C. And in CGS system, I'll write M2 to the power A, L2 to the power B, T to the power C. That means here you are observing that powers are same. Even if you write in other system of units, powers remain same. Okay. Only this changes. Mass, length, time is changing in other system of units. That means we can write physical quantity like this. N1 into, how to write U1? U1 is M1 A, L1 B, T1 C. Okay, that is equal to N2 into M2 to the power A, L to the power B, T to the power C. Right? So this is a dimensional formula of a given physical quantity. Now if 1 is unknown for us, for example if N2 is unknown, N1 is given. See, we know that length of rod is 5 meter, we need to convert into centimeter. So here 5 meter is equal to how many centimeter? Dash centimeter. Here this is unknown for us. We need to find out this. How to calculate? For that, let us use this formula. N2 is equal to N1 into M1 to the power A, L1 to the power B, T1 to the power C divided by M2 to the power A, L2 to the power B, T2 to the power C. We use this relation. Okay. So using this relation, unknown term can be calculated. That is either N1 or N2 depending on the problem. Okay. So we can calculate either N1 or N2 using this relation. If N2 is given, N1 is unknown, then write this first and this goes to denominator. Right. So like this, using this formula, we are going to write unknown term. Okay, so if any one term is unknown, so either N1 or N2 is unknown, we are taking the help of this. Now let us consider the example. So we need to convert SI unit of force into CGS unit of force. For that, first you write dimensional formula of force. So what is the dimensional formula of force? Is dimensional formula of force is M1 L1 T minus 2. So you have to remember at least some for dimensional formula some physical quantities. So it is understood that if you write 1, no need of writing 1, okay. So it is understood that it is 1. So what is the dimensional formula of force? ML T minus 2. Now SI unit of force is SI unit of force is Newton, capital N. CGS unit of force is dyne. Okay. Now let us write, we need to convert 1 Newton is equal to dash dyne. Okay, so here N2 is unknown for us. This is N1, U1 is equal to N2, U2. So how to convert? Let us use the relation N2 is equal to N1 into M1 to the power A, L to the power B, T to the power C. And here let us write M to the power A, L to the power B, T to the power C. For that, first let us write what is A. So here let us look at this expression. Dimensional formula of force is given here. This is a standard dimensional formula of force. So using this, compare here. So A is 1, B is how much? L to the power B. Here it is 1. And look at the power of C, time. C is minus 2. And as I mentioned already, M1, L1, T1. I'm sorry, here it is L1, T1. M1, L1, T1, all these are SI unit and these are the CGS unit. So first let us write in SI, M1 is 1 kg, mass is represented as 1 kg, whereas M2 is mass in CGS, that is 1 gram. And L1 is length, in SI it is 1 meter, L2 is CGS unit, which is centimeter. Time in both is same. We know that time is second, even in SI it is second. And we know that unit of force in SI is Newton. Newton. Let us write Newton like this, and this is dyne. That is dyne. So how to write? N2 is equal to N1 is 1, right? N1 is 1. So first let us write M1. M1 is how much? 1 kg. What is the power? 1 kg. Power is 1. And L1 is 1 meter. The power of that L1 B is 1. And time is 1 second. The power is how much? Minus 2. And here you write, you can write this together. Okay. Let us write together. M1, both M1 and M2 both are having the power is same, right? So therefore let us write together. M2 is 1 gram to the power 1, and I'll write together. So L1 is 1 meter and L2 is 1 centimeter to the power 1. Kg is 1000 gram. 1000 gram divided by gram to the power 1. And 1 meter is 100 centimeter to 1 centimeter to the power 1. And this 1 second cancel. I'll write here N2 is equal to 1000 gram. I'll write it as 10 to the power 3 gram. So 10 to the power 3 gram divided by gram into 100 centimeter is 10 to the power 2 centimeter to centimeter. So this get cancelled. Therefore N2 can be written as 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 2. That is N2 is equal to 10 to the power 3 plus 2. Add the power of same base. If the base is same, add the powers. 3 plus 2 is 5. So what is answer? N2 is equal to 10 power 5. So here answer is 10 power 5. Like this, we came to know that what is a number which is unknown for us using dimensional formula. So first look at the physical quantity given and write the dimensional formula of that physical quantity, and you write the units. SI unit of that given physical quantity, force is Newton, CGS unit is dyne. So 1 Newton, we need to convert SI unit of force into CGS unit. So SI unit, in SI we are writing force as Newton. So let it be 1 Newton. 1 Newton is how many dyne? How many dyne? So to convert that 1 Newton to dyne, we are taking the help of dimension. So here in SI, let us write M1, L1, T1 as a fundamental quantity and its power is ABC. Now write the standard powers. So here power is A is 1, B is 1, C is minus 2. And M2, L2, T2 are fundamental quantity in CGS unit. Substituting, you will get the answer as 10 power 5. Now let us consider the second question. Convert SI unit of energy into CGS unit. So energy and work are one and the same. What is the dimensional formula of energy? So you have to remember the dimensional formula of some physical quantities. So energy can be written as force into displacement. So together, what is the dimensional formula? M1 L square T minus 2. Now, let us write SI unit of work. SI unit of work or energy is joule. CGS unit of energy is erg. 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 Now we need to convert SI unit of energy into CGS unit. In SI, let us write 1 joule, that is equal to how many erg? N2 is unknown for us. As I mentioned, same relation. N2 is equal to N1 into M1 L1 T1 to the power A, B, C divided by M2 L2 T2 power A, B, C. Now, using this, here let us write what is the power. A is 1, M to the power A. Okay, so what is the value of A? Dimensional formula of work is this one. So, compare now. A is 1. L to the power B. That means here B is how much? It is 2. And T to the power C. C is how much? Minus 2. And here you write SI and CGS. In SI, M1 can be written as 1 kg. In CGS, M2 is 1 gram. Mass is 1 kg. Kg in SI, gram in CGS. Length is meter in SI, centimeter in CGS. Time is same. Time is 1 second. Time is second. And in SI, work is expressed as joule. And in CGS, work is expressed as erg. Now let us apply that here. N1 is 1. N1 is 1. I'll write this together. M1 is 1 kg. 2. M2 is 1 gram. The power is A. What is A? 1. Now L1, L2. Look at L1 and L2. L1 is 1 meter. L2 is 1 centimeter. What is the power? Power is B. B is how much? B is 2. And time is same. 1 second, 1 second to the power minus 2. So this 1 second cancels. How to write 1 kg? 1 kg is 1000 gram. To 1 gram. The power is 1. Now 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Power is 2. Now cancel the common unit. So remaining is 10 to the power 1, 2, 3. 30 into 10 to the power 1, 2. 20 square it. 2 square is 4. So what is answer? 10 to the power 4 plus 3 is 7. So N2 is 10 to the power 7 is the answer. Is it clear? 1 joule is 10 to the power 7 erg. If the question is convert CGS unit of energy into SI, convert CGS to SI. That means here 1 erg is given. So 1 erg is equal to dash joule. What will be the answer? Same thing. Here you have to write N1 is equal to. Okay. So you can also write N2. Okay. But while writing you have to be careful which one is written here. So 1 erg is 10 to the power minus 7 joule. Is it clear? So here I have taken this 1 joule. See this 1 is 1 joule. Whatever I have written first N1 U1. N1 U1 is N2 U2. N1 U1. This is SI and this is CGS. So that's why N1 and M1 L1 T1 all these are SI. Here I have written this M1 L1 T1 all these are SI. Right? Suppose if you write like this 1 erg is 10 power minus 7 joule. We need to calculate this 10 to the power minus 7. Then this 1 erg means this is a CGS unit, right? So you have to be careful while writing. So this is a CGS. Again N2 is unknown for us. N2 can be written as N1. Use the same formula, but here since N1 U1, what is this U1? U1 is a CGS unit, right? So here you have to write all the CGS units. This side you have to write CGS and this side you should write SI. That is the only difference. Okay. Shall we move to the next question? Copy this first. Now let us move to the next question. The value of capital G in CGS system is 6.67 10 to the power minus 8 dyne centimeter square per gram square. Calculate the value in SI system. What is G? G is a universal constant. Universal gravitational constant. So we know that gravitational force F is directly proportional to product of mass of two bodies and inversely proportional to square of the distance. If you remove this proportionality, there is a constant called as gravitational constant. Okay, G is a gravitational constant, m1 m2 divided by r square. So using this, how to write G? What is the definition of G? It is f r square by m square. Let us write m1 m2 as m square. So then what is the dimensional formula of G? It is mlt minus 2 is a dimensional formula of force, and distance, r is distance, l square, m is mass, mass is capital M square. Together we can write dimensional formula of gravitational constant is m to the power 1 minus 2 is minus 1, l to the power 3, t to the power minus 2. So, what is that? M to the power minus 1, L to the power 3, T to the power minus 2. We need to convert CGS system of gravitational constant into SI system. See, in CGS system, what is its value? 6.67 10 to the power minus 8 is a magnitude, and unit is dyne centimeter square per gram square. We have to find what is the value in SI system. Okay. So here we know this relation N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. Right. So N1 is 6.67 10 to the power minus 8. Unit is dyne centimeter square per gram square. That is equal to N2 is unknown. Okay, we need to measure N2 and unit. So what will be the unit in SI system? SI system, how to write? It is Newton, centimeter square is meter square, centimeter square which converts into SI, that is meter square, and gram convert to meter, SI, it is kg. N2 can be written as, say this is N1 now. N1 U1. How to write U1? M1 L1 T1 to the power A, B, C divided by U2. This is U2. Okay. So which is M2 L2 T2 the power A, B, C. Okay. What is the value of A, B, C? Here you compare it. A is, compare this with this. Okay, this is a dimensional formula of G. A is minus 1, B is 3, and C is minus 2. So as I mentioned already, so this is a CGS. All 1 means it's a CGS. M1, L1, T1, all these are CGS. Okay, this is SI. Is it clear? So first let us write CGS. CGS and SI. So here in CGS, M1 is 1 gram, M2 is in SI, so it is kg, and L1 is centimeter, L1 is written in centimeter, L2 is in meter. Time is same. Okay, and one more is what? So here, what is the value of N1 given? N1 is in CGS. N1 is given as 6.67 10 to the power minus 8, and N2 is unknown for us. We need to calculate. Okay. So let us substitute that here. Therefore, N2 is equal to N1 is 6.67 10 power minus 8 into, first write M1. M1 is in gram, 1 gram to 1 kg. What is a power? A is minus 1. Okay. L1 is 1 centimeter, 2 meter, B is 3. T1 is cancels, right? 1 second to 1 second cancel. Therefore, N2 is equal to 6.67 10 to the power minus 8. Now convert 1 gram you keep as it is. 1 kg is 1000 gram. I'll write 10 to the power 3 gram to the power minus 1 into 1 centimeter you keep as it is. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 10 to the power 2 centimeter to the power 3. To the power 3. Okay. Let me write here. Hope all of you copied this. Please check the video again and copy this properly. I'll continue here. N2 is equal to 6.67 10 to the power minus 8 into, see, gram cancel, 10 to the power 3 to the power minus 1. How to write? 10 to the power 3 to the power minus 1 becomes 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, I'll write in the denominator 10 to the power minus 3. And centimeter cancel into, see, 10 to the power 2 cube. 10 to the power 2 cube means in the denominator you multiply this. 2 into 3 is 6. Okay, this is clear? Yes, now N2 is 6.67 10 power minus 8 into, now let us write all these powers of 10 in the numerator. 10 power minus 3, when it comes to numerator it becomes plus 3 into 10 power minus 6. Plus 6 becomes minus 6. So 6.67 10 power. Now add all the add the powers of same base. Okay. Minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14. If you add minus 8 to minus 6, it's minus 14. Minus 14 plus 3. So subtract. 14 minus 14 plus 3 is minus 11. Minus 11 is the answer. N2 is how much? 6.67 10 to the power minus 11. I'll write here 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 is the answer. Like this, we have converted CGS system of G into SI system. Is it clear, student? So like this, while converting, see, you have to be careful. Okay, N1 U1 is N2 U2. You have written first CGS system. So all 1 means M1, L1, T1, all N1, all these are CGS. And N2 U2. See here 2 means SI here. Because N2 is unknown for us and we are using the same formula. N2 is N1, this formula, right? While writing, you have to be careful. Which is N2? N2 is in SI. Here N2 is in SI. So all 2 means it's SI. Substitute, okay, properly. I hope it is clear. Like this, you can convert one system of unit into another system of unit using dimension. So if you find it helpful, please do subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.